Hello, I'm Stefan and I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT to clean up an Excel address list. I need a Visual Basic macro to clean up the fields here. In my use case, I have here in column A the salutation. Some fields are missing. Then I would like to have the terms here in German. In column B and C, I have white spaces at the beginning and at the end. They should be removed. Then we will use column H to fill in the missing information in column A for the salutation. In the column I, we have wrong email addresses. They should be marked with the color red, and duplicates should be marked in yellow. Furthermore, I would like to bring in the phone numbers in column J into the same format with a leading +49 at the beginning. All other characters should be removed. So how to do that? I have here a standard text editor, and I have described what should be done so far, and you can do that in a more or less natural language. So I have a German environment here, so I did the same description here in German. So I will go here to the editor. Then we will copy this information here into the clipboard. Then I'm switching to my browser. And here I have already copied this text into the prompt field. So then let's start ChatGPT working on to prepare the Excel macro. This takes some time. Here we go. And the good thing is, and this is a tip from my side, if you're going to prepare your Excel documents in the future always with the same structure, then you can save a lot of time and you can start improve your productivity by doing that. And let's wait until ChatGPT has finalized this task here. So the script is prepared. Let's scroll up here and then let's copy this code into the clipboard. Then switching back to Excel. So what I did here is I've added the Excel execution macro here in the top navigation bar. Let's execute this. And the editor should be opened. Let's give this script a name. So I'll move this a little bit up. So this code can be removed. And then I will copy the code from the clipboard here into this field. Then I will move this window a little bit down. And now I'm going to execute this macro by clicking here on this blue button. And you can see that my new generated Visual Basic macro is executed and the fields are formatted in the way as formerly described. Yeah, this is my short tutorial for you how to use ChatGPT to create a Visual Basic macro. And thank you for watching, and if you like further conversation, follow me on LinkedIn.